Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today I'm going to talk about how to make cash fast. Guys, Christmas is fast approaching and we need some money. You know, when Christmas is here and we need to socialize, there's a lot of partying and functions, so we will need money. Guys, these tips that I'm going to give you are tips that can be used by those who are unemployed and those who are employed during their free time. Tip number 1, selling your skills and services to people. If you're good at makeup, if you're good at cooking, if you're good at baking, if you're good at decoration and painting, you can sell your skills and services to people and this will earn you some extra money. Tip number 2, becoming an Uber driver during your free time, or if you are unemployed and you have a car, you can sign up and do it like full time. If you don't have a car, you can look for people who have cars and they don't have drivers and work for them. Tip number 3, renting out your car. You can give out your car and earn some extra money. Like here in Kenya, I see people hiring the car for 3 days, 4 days, a week, and this is good money. So you can rent out your car and manage with public transport, and in return you earn some extra money. Tip number 4, selling your stuff online. You can look for things to sell like shoes, clothes, fruits, vegetables. You can sell through Facebook, you can sell them through Instagram and other avenues online. And by doing this, you'll get customers and you'll get more money in your pocket. Tip number 4, looking for weekend casual jobs. You can approach people who do events, who do outside catering for events and weddings, birthday parties and functions, and request to be employed to work in their team. Outside catering, they usually require people to wash the dishes after service. They require people to assist in cooking, in serving the guests, and by this you'll get extra cash. Like in my case, my friend has an outside catering company, and I always, when I'm free, I always request her to give me a job, and at the end of the day I earn some extra money. Tip number 6, selling goods at a local market. Here in Kenya, we have markets in different towns and villages. You can identify a village or a town which is near you, and you go there and check what is their need. Then come back to the city or wherever you are and get that item that you found a gap in the market and go and sell in that local market. And this one you can do on weekends, or if you're unemployed, you can look for various markets which are near you, and usually they are from, like, let's say Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So you can identify different markets and you go there and sell your stuff and come back with money. Tip number 7, you can start small businesses that don't require a lot of capital and don't require a lot of supervision, like a grocery shop, you can food essential shop, you can fruits shop, you can do children clothes, a thrift shop, and by this you get extra cash in your pocket. Tip number 8, learn how to make detergents and soaps. This you can use also in your house, and also you can sell to people, and By so doing, you get money. Tip number 9, doing deliveries for business people and companies. Many business people don't have people to deliver their stuff to their customers. Approach them. Look for them on Facebook, on Instagram, on everywhere. Approach them and request them to give you that job. If you are employed, you can plan on when you can do your deliveries, and then you earn money. Tip number 10, if you are good at gardening, carpet cleaning, offer your services to people. Approach companies, organizations, neighbors, friends, family, and by so doing, you earn some money. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified more of my videos. Tip number 11, you can rent out your house. There are people who come into the country and they don't want to spend a lot of money. Maybe they are coming for vacations or they are coming for conferences and seminars, and they're looking for a place where they can sleep at night and have a good and comfortable place. You can offer to rent out your room, a room in your house, or even the whole house, and by this you get extra money. Tip number 12, market research. Join companies that do market research and be paid. Do a research of a product, of an organization, of a company, and you get paid. Guys, tuko pamoja. Tuko pamoja. Tip number 13, teach English language. There are so many foreigners who don't know how to speak English, or they just don't know English. You can identify them and offer your services. There are also students that would want to go to university, but they don't have the capacity. They don't have they don't know the English language very well. So you can train them, and in return, they pay you. Tip number 14, you can do online writing. Online writing is diverse. You can do essay writing, there's so many things you can do in online writing. And then you can get quick cash. Tip number 15, offer consulting services. If you are an accountant, offer your services to startup businesses, to upcoming businesses. Advise them on how to keep their records well. Advise them on how to balance their cash books. Advise them on how to do proper banking, proper documentation. Advise them on how to pay their taxes. If you are good at making restaurants and just design work, look for people who need that service. Advise them on what to do. Advise them on the designs that are favoring that moment. If you are good at giving advices to students, you can look for that. So guys, I hope this video will inspire someone and also enlighten someone to do something about getting extra cash. If you have any other idea, you can leave a comment on the comment section, and we will learn together. We are in this together, guys. So you can leave a comment there for my subscribers and other people to also to learn more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and may God bless you. May God bless you mightily. Thank you and bye-bye.